Hi, good morning everybody, including Simsajoi Police Station, Happy HD, government's various departments. This is the thing every time we are trying to show which the Happy HD ever deny. We said this is the street they are using as their de facto refuge collection point and which they deny every time. Look, the workers of there, they are bringing the whole rubbish of the from Latin building, Modi Road, etc. here. Then you see by the trolleys and then compress here right on our street. So what is this? Isn't a refuge collection point and compression by the crane? You can imagine maybe 20, sometimes 10, 15 truck a day right from this street. Why the police don't do their duty? If the PhD director, Mr. Leong, don't feel shame to penalty this truck and then also to charge them penalty to dumping the refuse in this street every day around the clock. And you see the workers bringing the stuff and compressing here. One more coming. The whole of this area from Chatham Road to Hempers Avenue, the whole abandoned furniture, articles, those things will be brought to this street. And then time to time, maybe 1 hour, this truck will come here. And right from the street, and here is the exit of garden. It will be in the morning hours or in the afternoon will be stuffed with this things also. Before it was here, they compress from here. So now since we install the camera here, so they stop. Now here, this is street. Any doubt? And this is the man standing with the camera. He will give the photos of everything alright. So at the moment the exit is clear, so he is taking the picture. After his picture, the dump start again. And this is a single exit and entry point. And while he is doing the pictures here, maybe he forgot to take the pictures here. And look the accumulation of water on the rooftop. Lot of mosquitoes. Really, the Happy HD making our life hell. Hell of hell. The lives of this Minton Road residents. Then you see the man bringing the stuff by the trolley again. This is the way. Even the truck is gone. The Happy HD workers will keep bringing the stuff and then unload here first in this area beside the Pentagon and RCP middle of. And we discuss all the way our street residents Why they don't build the proper facilities? Is Hong Kong is lack of money or anything else? Why they don't want to build proper facilities? Suppose this street is for people's walk. Suppose this road is for the traffic. Right? This is a single exit and entry point for the layer, for the people to soothe themselves in the park, in the garden. Why? There is a nasty smell every time, stuck with the rubbish trolleys, noise pollution from the RCP and out here. This is the head of them, who is also extending the helping hand. This is what I observed from 8 o'clock. This is the 6th truck. 3 of them is with the crane, 1 is without crane. Once without crane, they will dismantle manually. Inside RCP compression of refuse, outside RCP compression of refuse, loading, unloading, bringing the whole stuff to here. Why they don't load wherever they saw it? Why they are bringing here? So what, if they are storing here, if they are bringing here, the compressing here, that means they are using the street as their personal property. That is called RCP, Refuge Collection Point. Can you see the noise? Compression going on. While police is dying to give them the penalty. Every day the truck mostly will block this street. I have pictures, I will send it to you separately on my mobile. They will stuck, one finger cannot go to this single exit and entry point of the RCP, of the Signal Hill Garden. And then driver refuse in front of the traffic warden or in front of the police to remove his truck from here. But police was dying to give him a penalty. Keep giving me the reasons. Keep giving the reasons to the other 20 people gathered together with me. But they do not want to penalty this truck, because this is the so-called potpourri of the police. Can you imagine the whole day 20, 30 trucks from inside being compressed in the RCP, 15, 20 outside of the RCP. What is our life? And smell, noise, blockage of the streets. One more trolley arrived.